A lot of you people were asking me in my DMs, hey Raj, how can I get Lightspeed blog design or a blog design which can get Google AdSense approval fast? Which is why I made this video. I'm going to take my website, this website, and transform completely into this blog site, which you can have a neat home page. Right now you can see this like this home page, and you will get also this blog post where you can you have a lot of space on right and left, and you have about me section, and you can also put affiliate banner here, or if you have any digital product you can put the banner here, search box, categories, and tags. And if I click on any of the blog article, you can see how beautiful this is. Okay, I will show you exactly how to add table of contents, every single thing. Okay, even the text font. Okay, you can see right here how neat the font is. Okay, so with that being said, watch from beginning to end. If you miss any of the steps, you will not get the design. Okay, so with that being said, let's start with the design. The first thing what you want to do is come to the themes inside the WordPress. Okay, I believe you have WordPress. If you not, Hostinger is the best place to start. Buy the domain. The affiliate link will be in the description. You will get a free domain for 1 year if you purchase through my link. And from Hostinger, you can transform to WordPress easily. It's a single click, and then you have to come to themes, and here you need to type in first GeneratePress. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and type in the GeneratePress, and here you have GeneratePress. You need to, there are a lot of GeneratePress, I guess it will come, but you can see this one, right? This is the one which we want to install. Now I can simply click on install, and after installing, you have to click on activate. Okay, so it does the job for you. Now here right now you can see I have many blocks. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete every single thing except the GeneratePress. Okay, let me delete this. So these are previous blog sites. I was experimenting whether it would be fast or not. Now if I go to the home page, so right now you can see it's all messed up. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and see if there are any posts. So make sure if you have any post, you delete that, and even if you have any post, you can remove or add. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to the pages and see if there are any pages. So I'm going to delete this one as well. Okay, now the first thing what you want to do is you have installed the GeneratePress. Second thing is go to the plugins, and here you need to click on add new plugins, and here first thing you need to install Generate Blocks. Okay, now without space you need to type in Generate Blocks, and here you will get the Tom Osborne Generate Blocks. Now you should click on it, install, and then click on activate. Okay, now once you activate, it's going to take you to dashboard. We don't want to do anything. Now again you have to go back to add new plugin, and here so you need to simply type in, now come back to plugins, same plugins, add the plugin called recent post widget. So if you type in recent post widget, you can see the spelling, and it will show you Kubernetes services. So you need to install this one. Okay, now you can click on install, and then after that you need to install code snippets. So I'm going to type in code snippets right here, and it will give you it will show you many plugins, but one is very good is WP code snippets. You can install this by WP code, so they're genuine. You can see 2 million active installation. I have already installed. Okay, I'm going to click on update now. And make sure you also install Rank Math SEO by Rank Math. So I'm going to go ahead and install Rank Math SEO and click on activate. Okay, now you can skip the wizard, it will take you to the wizard, so I don't want it. Now here what you can do is you can go ahead and add 2 blog posts. Okay, or 1 blog post. So I'm going to do that and come back to this. So guys, right now you can see I have added 1 blog post just for reference. Okay, how the text will come. Now what you want to do is come to the pages, and you need to add mainly 2 pages. Okay, so which I'm going to show you. One is a home. I can simply go here, add new page, and click on home and publish, hit publish. But before you publish, you need to come here, change the layout to no sidebars. So let me make sure it is visible for you. Second, hang on. So you need to come in a home page, and here you need to select the sidebar layout to no sidebars, and footer widgets leave it like that default, and content container full width, and disable content title. So this is what you want to do for the home page. Okay, now I'm gonna hit simply publish, and it will do that for me. Now the next page which you want to add is go back and add the blog page. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing here. So right now I have added the blog page and I can simply hit publish. So here for the blog page, you don't need to, make the full width or something like that. Okay. So because we want, sites to be empty for the ads, right? So we don't want to do that. And go back. Now, first thing is, what we're going to do is we are going to customize this widget. Okay. So the one which your site, the icon, the profile image, all these things. Okay. And then we're going to create a menu and then we're going to customize every single thing. Okay. Now the blog site should look like this for you. Okay. So there's no proper organization, the image is pretty big. So what you can do right now is simply click on customize right here. If you don't know how to navigate to customize, you can simply go to appearance and then it will take you to this page. Now first thing is, you want to add some code. Now the link will be in the description, and if you click on that, there will be a document, and in that document you will have code. Okay, blog design code. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that code and add it inside the additional CSS here. Okay, so I have copied the code, come to the additional CSS and simply click on paste. So right now you can see there's a subtle change here. There's a shadows, there's a blue color shadows, and the design is curved, so it looks neat, but not neat yet. So I'm gonna hit publish. So make sure to hit publish, just like a saving, and go back to the widgets. Customize. And here the step one, the thing is you need to take this image into load. Okay, make it small. Now here you can give site title. I'm gonna leave it like the tagline, and I don't want that site title. Okay, height site title, so is hidden. And then now the logo width, I should minimize this. Okay, so this is enough. And then you can add your own logo, and then I hit publish. So now if I go here and refresh this, the site should look like this. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to add the widget screen. Okay, the side thing. Okay, so here you can see, right? So we're going to do that. Now what you want to do is go to the dashboard, and here at the appearance you have widgets. Now click on it, click on the widgets, and make sure you have a nice profile picture. And if there is anything in the right sidebar, and check all this. Okay, check all this. If there is anything, any group or any categories mentioned inside this, any of this, you need to delete that. Okay, now we are only going to use the footer bar and also the right sidebar. Okay, so this is a right sidebar, right? If you want these right side things to be on the left side, you can whatever I show in this video, you can do that to right sidebar. Okay, or if you want on the header like the top, you can do here. Now I'm going to show you, for this example purpose, I'm going to show you right sidebar, same just like this. Okay, now here first thing we have this one as a heading. So I'm going to click on add, and here you need to type in the group and click on group, and here you need to click on group, the single block. Okay, now the thing is you need to click on plus and hit in type in headings and click on headings, and here you need to type in the about us. Okay, and then you need to click this option, okay, the slider, and you should select the group. Okay, now inside the group, if you select the right side, it will select this whole block, but if you select the group, it will only select the first block. Okay, now inside the group we need an image. Now I can simply click on image and go to the media library and select my image. I don't know why there is a pink background, and then I can drag and drop, drag the size, resize, and then make it to the center, align center. And this one I need to align center, so that's it. Click on update and you should see the widget right here. Okay, so fair enough. Now what you want to do is click on right sidebar, and then you need to click on add, and then add one more group, okay, for category. Now here click on group, and then here you need to select the heading which we want to type categories. Okay, now again select the group, and then make sure the category group is selected, and then click on add, and then here you need to select category, and then you will have an option called pop-up category list, and then click on it. And right now there's only one category, which is a blog. So that is why it's only showing me blog. So if you have many categories just like this, okay, so I have this many, okay, even mine blogging category I might have deleted, but tags you can see right here, there are more. Okay, now that's it. And then you need to again click on right sidebar and then click on add and select the group again, and then select the single block, and then here add heading, and then type in the tags, and then you need to select the group tags, group like tags the group, and then click on add, and then right here you need to type in tag and should select the tag cloud. So you can see these are my tags. You can also increase the size. So let me go and increase the size. What is the size? Largest size. Okay. Now I can simply click on update, and then what do we have? Okay, there's a search option. What we can do is I can simply add, and then so make sure you select the right bar. If you want a separate column like this, separate group like this, you need to add by selecting the right bar. Okay, and then I can click on add and then type in the group, select this, select the single block, and then here you can simply search bar, and there you go, you have that option. Okay, so just like that you can add as many as you want. Now I can simply go here and hit refresh, and right now you can see well over. The only thing we're missing is these social icons and then this text, right? So I'm gonna simply copy that and go to the group section, first group, and then select the first group right here, and then click on add, and here you need to select the paragraph, and I'm going to paste it right here, and these are the social icons. So I'm going to delete this, I don't know why it. Now I can simply again click on group and then select add social, simply type in social, and it will pop up the social icons. So you can go here and add social icons like Facebook, and then if you click on it, it will ask you to link. Okay, so now I'm going to update this, so let me refresh one more time. So right now you can see, right? So yeah, so it's just a minimized thing. Okay, now the next thing what we're going to do is we have so if you want this kind of thing, since we have added the code, what you can do is select the headings. So whatever headings you have wrote here, select the headings, go to the advanced, or you can add a widget title. Okay, widget title. So if I add widget title and update it, and if I refresh it, it will give you the 2 slashes. Okay, just for indication purpose, but I don't want it, I'm gonna skip it. Let me just refresh this once again. So right now, so it's good to go. Now if you want this image, you can go and add the same thing, just the way we added the categories, tags, and search bar. So, and with that being said, we are done with the widget side thing. Okay, now remaining is this menu, and then all this text option, the wonderful font which I am using, okay, which is a public sans. So I will show you how to do that. Now go back to the code snippets, and you need to grab the piece of code which will be in a document. The link will be in a description. Okay, for copyright. Okay, remove the copyright. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and get the code. So right now I have the code. So what you want to do is click on add snippet. Okay, now here you need to add the custom snippet, and it will ask you the PHP. Okay, now you can select the PHP, and now you can simply paste the code right here. Okay, now there's a WordPress site development and all right results. Okay, now here you need to replace the WordPress site development and replace with your site. So I'm gonna go here and replace with whatever the site name is. You can go here and do that, and you have to select the active and then click on update, and then once you update it, and if you refresh, it will show you the copyright removed. Okay, GeneratePress. Now the main thing left out is customizing the fonts and everything. Now let's get back to the customize option. So simply hover on appearance and you have customize option. Now click on it and it will take you to customize the layout. Okay, so right now you have to do exactly what I do right here. Okay, step by step. So let me zoom in if it is not visible for you. Okay, all right, we're good to go. So first thing is click on site identity and make sure you resize the image. So we have done that, and click on layout and click on container and make sure these are boxes and hit publish. Okay, so whatever changes you make, hit publish. Just you save the changes and go to the header. So here in the header you don't have anything to change, and go to the primary navigation, and here you need to select enable navigation search model so that the search option appear here. Okay, and go back and go to the footer, and here you need to select footer widget 0 and then back to top enable. So if you go down, you can see right here the small option back to top, so you can click on it to make it to the top. It's okay. So we're gonna change that one color. So alright, you need to enable this. So that's it. You can click on publish. Now go back one more step, and here you need to select the colors right here, and then here you need to add another color, and here you need to select this one. You can replace, you can add that to any color. Right now you can see the borders changing, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a subtle subtle blue, somewhere blue. So you can choose whatever you want and it's up to you. So I'm going to leave it like there. So subtle blue, and then here you can click on body, and then body you can click on here and then make it white. Okay, so that's it. There's a subtle white change here. So you can click on hit publish, and then you have to come back to right here, back to top. You can select this color, and then here you need to select the background color has a little red, so that you can see right here it's changing, right? So that's it. Hit publish, and then go back, and then now you have to select the typography, and then here you need to add the font, okay, which is going to be the public sans. Okay, so this one right here. So you need to select that, and that's it. So right now you don't have to click on add font or any other. So I'm going to select the Google font display to swap through the blog. Okay, now click on add typography. The first thing is we want so once again, the first thing is we want the target element, the body, everything to be the font. Okay, select the public sans. So you can see right here, okay, it's selected every single thing. Okay, every single thing it made public sans. Now that's it, and then you can click on add typography, and then right here you can click on target element, all headings. You can search simply all headings, and then here font family is going to be public sans, same as well. And then font weight, you should change it to 700 or 800. Okay, it's up to you. And then so that's it. So right now we're good to go. So right now we are good to go. Okay, so that's it. You can hit publish, and then if I go back to the site and refresh this, so you can see pretty much same. Okay, right, same font, same widgets, and same blog design. Now only thing remaining is the home and then the blog section. Now for the home, you can simply go to the settings, hover on settings, and select hit the reading and select the static page. And then for home, we're going to select the home page, and for post, we're going to select the blog page, and then click on save changes. And then if we refresh this, the home should be empty, okay, as it is, because in the home we haven't added anything. Now for the home, you can simply click on edit page, and you can go here and add whatever you want. You want to add an image. Now first thing is you want to go to the pages, and here select the home, and there'll be a code in the blog design. The link will be in the description. You can check that out. So you need to simply copy paste that code. So I'll show you. So in the blog design, it will be mentioned home banner code. You need to copy every single thing from the document, and then you have to Control Shift V. Okay, since because it is a generate blogs, it will first tells you blog contains unexpected or invalid content. You can simply click on attempt recovery, and you can see how beautiful this is. Okay, now what you need to do is you can go here. So whatever the post it is appearing right here, it is default feature tag. Okay, now you can also change it to anything. If you want to change it to anything, what you want to do is you can click on simply these three dots here and click on the query loop. Okay, now here you will have add parameter. Okay, so let me just see if you can see. Let me just confirm. So yeah, so you have the option add parameter. To click on add parameter, and then you have to select the taxonomies. Where is it? Taxonomies, and then under the taxonomies you need to select the tags, and then here the search terms you can select any single thing. Okay, whatever tags you have to show up here. So whatever tags post you want it to show, it will show here. Okay, I'm gonna leave it default. Now the next thing is we want to add related post. Okay, recent post. So I'm going to copy that code. One second, let me copy this whole thing. So guys, the code will be in a document, and the document link I will show you. And the document link I'll share with you in the description. Okay, so every single thing will be accessible to you, but when you're pasting it, you need to Control Shift V. Okay, so right now you can see the display of latest posts is here. So let me just delete this. All right, let me just delete this and then click on save. And one more thing guys, when you're saving, you should click on view all, and here link by default this will be hash, but you need to select the blog page and it will show up. Click on enter. Yeah, okay, save. Now when we go to our home page, it should look like this. Okay, so one second, so why is this empty? All right, I think I have added the taxonomy, so let me just remove this. And save. Yep, so now it should be visible for you. Okay, so right now guys, but what would be more interesting than using AI to write articles, generating automations, blog automations for you instead of writing yourself? So I want you to go to the tryjournalist.com, and you can try up to 3 articles for free, and I will show you how easy it is to use this article generator, and how easy it is to auto publish articles for free. Okay, now I am in my dashboard right here, and you will have an article generation option and AI SEO editor, which can actually recognize AI words and everything. And you have customization. You can set your knowledge base, and you can set custom images, prompts, etc., everything. And you have blog automations. Okay, so let me zoom in a little bit for you if you're not able to see. And you have integrations. You can directly integrate to WordPress. Okay, and you have indexer publications, and you have social media direct auto share. Okay, auto linking and link building. Okay, so you can purchase backlinks as well. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to go to the articles, and here you have an option called SEO article. Now I simply click on it, and here you have a lot of options, guys, a lot of customization options, which I want you to check that out. So I'm gonna give you an overview of one by one. Now here you have generation mode, and we are gonna select the keyword title, which is a very optimum and efficient way. And keyword monitor, it's gonna do that for you, but I'm gonna leave it as a default keyword plus title, because I want give focus keywords manually and title also manually. Okay, now my focus keyword would be best link building strategies, and the title best link building strategies in 2024. Okay, so I have given the year, and you can also add another articles. No, I'm not going to do that. Let's just do this for one article. Now here you have content, knowledge, formatting. So we'll go with a one by one. So here content, you have language, which you can select any language you want. Okay, so you can write in English, Hindi, okay, Spanish. So I'm just gonna go with English American, and United States. You can target any country you want. I'm gonna go with the United States. And you even have show advanced options. So here you can set the creativity, so you can drag this slider. So I'm gonna let it be in a middle, okay, default. So I want half correct and factual, and creativity and original. Okay, so you pull it to the top right, dead and right, you have full creativity and original, and you pull it to the left side, correct and factual. Okay, I'm gonna let it be in a middle, and tone of voice neutral. I can also go here and add formal, but so let me add it to the formal. Okay, all right, or you will also have informal, so I'm just gonna be it in a formal point of view. I want to be in first person singular. Okay, so that's how I even write articles. Formality, automatic, and keywords I can also go research in a SEMrush, AHO or something, include the keywords, but I let this tool do it for me. I can also add a context description, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Knowledge. So here you will have option. By default it will be off. You need to enable it. Okay, so you need to connect to the web. And knowledge base you can also select here, but I'm gonna leave it like that. You can add your own knowledge base, guys. Okay, formatting, you have bold, italics, table. So italics is disabled, so I'm just gonna enable it. So here headings, title case, okay, all caps, but I don't want to change that. Structure, so you can also add call to action. I'm just gonna go here and add my call to action, okay, which is makemoneyrush.com. So let's see how it adds a call to action. So key takeaways, conclusions, I need every single thing, FAQs, automated headings. Internal linking, I can also add sitemap here, but I don't want. I manually add internal links and external links. I do not take from AI, but you can go here and add your sitemap. What it does is, if you add sitemap URL, okay, you just have to put your domain name / sitemap. So what it does is it's gonna grab all the links and internal links. Spread has an internal link in the article, okay, relevant links. And you can also links per h2. You can also decrease and up to 6 links per heading. So I'll leave it 1. And external linking, you have to enable automatic external links, and you can also exclude externals also if you want any website specifically to not take external from. You can put it here. And images, I have another feature image, so I have enabled a feature image, and number of in article images 2, let it increase to 3. And videos, okay, fetch from YouTube channel URL. I can literally add my own YouTube channel. So let me add my own YouTube channel, which is makemoneyrush.com. Okay. So by the way, if you're a subscriber, if you're not subscribed, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video. Okay. And so that's it, guys. I can go here and click on simply generate article and see the magic. So that's it. You don't have to do anything. So this literally took less than 1 minute to customize all things and all the attributes and options. But within 5 minutes or within 2 minutes, it's going to generate article for you. So that's how easy it is. So you can see it has generated a very well structured article. You can see it has key takeaways and table of contents and neatly organized headings and external links and H2 headings. Okay, so it has even highlighted in a bold text and then added tables. So images, AI generated. Usually I prefer I like to create my own images using Canva. Okay, I don't usually prefer AI generated images, but if you can, it does the job for you. Okay, so it's a pretty long article, guys. So it has even embedded it is pulling in the data from my YouTube channel. So it's a very nice tool, guys. So this is a perfectly great tool. And let me see. And you will even have the sign to integration site, which would be WordPress if you add a WordPress account. So the link for the software will be in our description. You can also add RH10 Raj10 for additional 10% discount. And you can also go to tryjournalist.com or journalistai.com. Okay, so you can check this out too. Okay, with that being said, catch you on the next one. Like, subscribe, and comment which video you want next. Okay, with that being said, catch you on the next one.